A column of air above one pier in Halifax reads, as whether that is not in it. It stands about 12 meters tall, and it does not move. Inside it, the pressure falls far past storm strength. The air inside also reads 18 degrees wetter than the air one step away. Outside the column, nothing. No wind pushes it. No warm surface feeds it. Dock crews call it the Standing 12. 3 harbor weather stations recorded it at the same second. At 17 minutes past 3 in the morning. Different owners, different checks, different power supplies. All 3 agreed. The spot they agreed on is Pier 21, on the Halifax waterfront. The harbor keeps other machines at the same spot. A laser that measures cloud and dust. A radar. A heat camera. An air sampler. A machine that listens down through the water. None of them found anything in that column. No air mass. No heat source. No dust. No wall. Nadia Boudreau, who looks after the stations, printed the paper roll from the middle one. Real weather draws a slope on that paper. It leans in, then leans back out. This one is a step. Flat line straight down, hold, straight back up. Both edges square. She checked the pen and the paper feed twice, and both were fine. She wrote the word storm in the margin, then crossed it out. Owen Mackay, an engineer for the port, ran the moving test. The plan was simple. Take a working sensor case away from the spot and see if the reading follows it. The case is called Kit 3, 40 meters down the pier. Kit 3 read plain harbor air all afternoon. Nothing at all. They carried it back to the first coordinate test and switched it on. 2.3 seconds later, the pressure dropped. The air read wetter, and the paper drew the same square step, the same place, the same shape. They ran it 11 times. Every time, the column was waiting at Pier 21, and only at Pier 21. It never once showed up where they carried the case. Then Mackay tried a dead case. Same model, flat battery, recording nothing. He left it on the marked square for 10 minutes. The nearby station stayed flat. He swapped in a working case. 2.3 seconds. There it was. The column was there. The column is there. It does not answer a person standing on the spot. It answers a machine that is switched on and looking. The index has this shape of reading on file already. A weather station in the Northern Territory once reported a pressure number that belonged to air which was never over the station. See also, index -01533. That entry is sealed. Its subject page holds a shape and no name. Same kind of reading. Different coast. Nothing was ever seen crossing between the 2 test spots. No push of air. No path. No trail. The port asked for a travel record and there is none, because nothing traveled. It did not come back to Pier 21. It was already Pier 21. Boudreau counted 11 tests in her notebook. The port log lists 10. The missing line is the first one. The practice run nobody was meant to record. The index has it. The index also logged a gull landing on Kit 3 at 4:17 in the afternoon. That is not weather, and it is in this file. The tape square is still on the concrete. The status, pending review. No corrective action has been scheduled at this time.